your super pumped and excited host Julie, and of course my co-host who is gonna be doing the long ass driving, Mandel.
Me there.
So as you heard my little song, we're going to sing it, and your girl is excited. You wanna know why? Let me tell you. Exams is coming up, and my brain is ready to pop. So I'm saying, okay, let's go get a vacation for the brain, and then we come back, we go back to study. But I'm on my way to go pick up my mom and babysit, so you'll see them in the back making a lot of noise, preferably the terrorist, as Mandel call her.
Yep.
Yeah. So I wanted to do this part before she enters the car because my sister is not camera shy and she loves the camera.
Very much.
Yeah, she loves the camera. So you're gonna be seeing what the mini-me, the replacement, looks like soon enough. But I hope you guys like my Jamaican flags. I'm still, in the post-independence.
Post-independence.
Oh.
Ah, let's say post-independence.
Oh, right. I got my necklace going on. Manga's got his necklace going on. I got my sticker flags. Yeah. Snap it shot, people, or snapshot as it actually is called. Get some Jamaican things like these on your face, and we call it a win-win. Watch people support Jamaica. Oh my God! I'm being on. This was taken off a Mandel Jamaican flag bracelet. It was coming off, and then I said, yeah man, this I could be the video thing. But it won't be on my face for long because of course my sister is gonna want one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she want one. She like the decorations too. We have the same taste. Terrorists. So guys, the next time you see us, you're gonna have my mom, and then my sister, and then the next time you see us again, it's gonna be the entrance of Dunn's River.
I'm gonna take some pictures, some videos, and some stuff. So
I know we promised you that the last time, but this time we're actually gonna do it.
Yes.
We ain't gonna be no politicians in this. We're gonna do it for real this time.
Alright. So
yeah, okay?
All of that.
Stay tuned, people.
Big up on yourself.
So we picked up Julie's mom and her terrorist baby sister. And we had to drag the brother out of the house.
Hey guys, I'm back. I was not expecting an extra courier, an extra person in my car, but I got one. No biggie. We're in the right rate. We have 5 people in the car, and this car is licensed for 5, so we're good. So I got my mother in the back. Oh, I'm probably gonna move the phone. See, my mommy. Where's Julissa? Oh, my sister is sleeping. My brother don't want to show his face because he's camera shy. Yeah, so I'm not going. I'm not going to. I'm gonna respect his wishes for now. But anyways,
the terrorist is sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping. We so wanted to just show you my mini-me, the replacement. But don't worry, she's gonna be up and running somewhere. No, mama, just sleep. She's gonna. We'll just sleep, because when she wake up, all hell will loose in this car. So guys, stay tuned. Dunn's River is up next.
Big up on yourself.
No man, I'm good man. They're the craters, guys. The craters. Bring her back. Just bring her back. No, just bring her back. Bring her back the stairs. Bring her back. She get the opportunity to go into a body of water she don't want to go in. But stay here and cry argument. Go enjoy yourself. Hey guys, so I'm going back down to the beach section. My face look multiple colors, right? I'm going through a lot, but I'm going back down to the beach section. This is the step tunnel route going back. My legs feel like jelly. I'm so out of shape.
Charlie, you never like this up. You know why I like this up?
Hey,
awesome, yo.
remember me tell you.
No massages can make them can't give them the kind of feeling that when they
Nobody can get a massage.
water power honey.
Party boat.
Hey guys, we're coming from Dunderville and I'm tired.
We're tired.
I am absolutely tired. I just need to see my bed and my co-host will go. I pray that we get home safely, which we will, in good name of Jesus. So let's talk about the good stuff.
What about it? The only thing about the walking up and down, you know.
Let's talk about the good stuff. The good stuff. Of course, when I get to Dunderville, a few of the stuff they have changed, of course. Like the armband.
Really?
Yeah, alright. So usually last time I came, the armband wasn't so sticky and they didn't normally let you go home with the armband. They usually cut it off before you leave the premises. Yes, alright, Jason. No.
Should show the public.
Please, I can't hear my sister in the background. I'm honestly don't have the energy. I don't have the energy today. I'm tired.
Guys, gonna see the them see the all of the video. Really good.
Wait, no, I'm telling the good.
What
So
good?
you have water massages free, of course.
Definitely.
You have the beach that is Mandel said salty. Guys, you must know by now I'm not a beach person. Mandel said the beach was salty, but you have a good part of it. There's those parts where the river water, the falls water meets the beach and it's okay there. Yes. And there's fishes in there. Huh?
And I hear. Tourist is fully away.
What else was I gonna say? Like I'm just out of it. Alright, so another I was on good, right? The positives. Yeah, that was about it for the positive. It's $1,000 to get in.
Cheap.
$500 for kids. Local, I'm referring to local, the locals. If the locals now don't have their IDs with them, which is a must, it is, how much was it? 3,500? It's 3,500. So please bear that in mind. Ensure that you come with your ID. It's very much necessary. What is next?
Interesting.
What is next? What is next? I'm trying to remember. Okay, so now going to the bottom. Guys.
So much people.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to the too much people. I'm coming back to that. I'm gonna make a very solid point with the people in, but I'm coming back to that. Because it's a Saturday and it's the summer, so it's gonna be full. Number one, the stairs. The stairs is what's killing us. The stairs mad way. I must have stopped Mount 100 half a dozen times just to say take a breath. And this is me. Why people still return to Dunderville? This is what they have to go through after them kill up them body. And bear in mind, people may come back to the fall part now, you know. Them kill up them body upon the falls. And then have to go kill up themselves for come out of the people in place. Guys, I was so tired. I did have food now and me love food and me would have never try food. Me threaten the food say me go throw it if it hinder me anymore. I'm tired. I'm a favorite buckle me did get for my birthday. Me da go left too because me did time. Me couldn't take no more load. Me did frost.
Rana, I'm talking about my experience with those
Oh,
stairs.
one day experience is more difficult than mine.
Hey, we walk come down with the evil with them. We have to reach at the beach in Dunn, which is a very long distance from the entrance.
It is.
Then, we left the sauce because yes, we carry food and all this. Sauce left in the car.
Which is very important.
And all of a sudden, alright, me have to go for the sauce. When me complete all of the stairs them for go up for the sauce, I realize that I don't have my key. I left my key on the beach. I have to turn back, climb the stairs, go down, and then come back up again. And then go for the sauce. And then come back. People, remember me tell you, I'm tired. I can't say it no further. I'm just extremely tired. I not even eat no food. I just come back and say, yo, that's it. I just sit down and chill. I couldn't move. My legs don't feel like jelly. Blame it on the unfitness as well, part of it.
Yeah, we are totally unfit.
I'm not gonna say it's a bad, it's just that it's the experience, and trust me, it was like me hiking if you got Blue Mountain. You get what I say? But I must say, it wasn't that bad. You know what? I'm gonna leave with Julie right now. I'm gonna buy something and come back. Big up on yourself. And go on that.
Alright, so let me give the rest of my piece. So the stairs, yeah. Coming back to the stairs. So after the stairs, there was the falls. Now, I was told that the falls, the stones that they had scraped them, that wasn't the case for everywhere. That wasn't the case for everywhere, right? Because I actually went on a particular rock and I slid from a point on the falls. I slid all the way back down, and I was very lucky that I did not break my neck, sorry, break my head, crack open some skulls, broke some bones. It was nice enough that there was some decent people in the tourist group. I'm not saying that all tourists are not decent or anything, but you have some people, them see a person tumbling down from the falls, them not gonna really try to stop or help them because them are gonna tumble down too. So it was very nice that a group of people actually crowded and actually helped me to come back. But did I go on that fall again? No. So they need to start scraping a lot wider area, because guess what? When the bag of tourists them come, and the tourists them, it's not like them have one tour at a set time. One tour after the other tour after the other tour after the other tour, no breaks. To me, because I've been there and the whole day at tour after tour after tour. The tourists them, one man I take one side, the man and another man I take another side. We, the regular people, who just want to climb the fall because we never pay for no tour. You get what I'm trying to say? We don't know where to go. That's one. So I actually was trying to follow the tourist route, one of the route then. But for climbing the fall, I don't have no tour guide to help me come up. You get me? I try to say I climb for sake. Because as you heard, my co-host was doing stairs duty. So I was just trying to climb the falls. I had some friends, but all of you are coward, so I was the brave coward. Like Courage the Cowardly Dog, I was that person at that point, because I was the leader of the pack. I was just, trying to test out which part is not good and which part is bad. But differently, I am a danger prone person, so I'm always be tripping over thin air, tripping over shoeless, tripping on whatever it is, I be tripping. So I don't know where they took up my danger prone self for the Pana Falls. It is funny, thank you. There. So yeah, the falls, they need to start scraping every stone. And I mean, that's probably ridiculous for them to be scraping every stone. However, it would help prevent a lot of danger. Because I'm telling you, I slid for a very long time. It was for a long time, but it was so fast. I just see myself tumbling down. I was like, what's happening here? Help! And there, man, I can't swim. So tumbling down, can't swim. All that madness going to my head right now. It just flew. I don't know, my head still hurt me, but I'm fine. Alright, so back to the stairs and a lot of people. For one day, I'm telling you, don't you must pass. Let me see what is my number. If I have a number, I'm here. I can't see the number. But Dunzura definitely pass 100 people. And at the alright, so Dunzura definitely pass 100 people, right? And like I said, them charge both tourists and local prices. So them pass over 100,000 for one day. Probably them pass 100,000 for 2 hours. Every 2 hours they probably make 100 or over 100. Let us say that. Just saying. Them no take it in an event, so they must make one of them traveling card if you go down to the beach. Eh? People have to struggle and stress themselves over the stairs. Them I'm telling you, the stairs them is not pretty. Couldn't bring my grandmother go there, so you know, she couldn't enjoy those river falls if she wanted to. Because how's she gonna get up there? I mean, how's she gonna get down there? And if she do get down there, how's she gonna come up back? Right? There's no, I don't think the whole falls is actually diverse for everyone. They can't have, if you have not knee, you're gonna have a challenge. If you have did surgery on your knee, you're gonna have a challenge. If you had you need to do surgery on your knees, you're gonna have a challenge. If you're meeting an accident and have a little injury or whatever, you're going to be in a challenge. It's for the fit. Definitely not for the unfit like Mandela or myself. It's for people like she might go step up and step down with ease. They were difficult because I actually saw some tourists like them saying, what is them take up on themselves? It was all fine and then it going down. Thanks. It was all fine and then it going down. But you see, when you come here, some tourists I say, like them tired, bud. Like they make more than 100,000 for a day, man. Take little. Put on. They get me. I know you have staff and everybody pay, but most of the profit, they must make more profit. If you make more profit, they have to spend money. Most of run. So take little savings from somewhere and put it on a say, alright, I put this down for a traveling card. Simple as that.
Traveling card?
Yeah, you know those cars that zooms through the sky? A power line that and just let them. Who want to walk? That's fine. Who want to take the car, man. Have something.
It's part of the experience.
What experience? To die while going up the stairs?
Yeah.
Going up the stairs, my head starts to hurt me. I feel like a lack of oxygen did a go on at some point. So that was it. The falls was great, other than me falling all the time. So if you're danger prone people, think quadruple time that you're going there, because you slip, and legitly you slip, you slide, and there's no guarantee that somebody's gonna catch you, right? If you I was fortunate that someone caught me. I love people in my background. I was fortunate that somebody had caught me, but other than that, yeah. But guys, this is your girl Julie. I was so excited earlier and I'm not excited.
Why not?
I'm beat.
You're still a part of the experience. I would still recommend.
I know I don't tell people to not go. Go if you're fit. If you don't have no knee surgery, if you don't got no injury, leg injury or hip injury, abdominal injury, don't go. You're going to regret it. But if you have any arm injury you're finding, you need the arm to go down the step, but you're gonna need them for climb. Yeah, so if you have injuries, don't bother to go. But if you're fit as a fiddle, you got kids, they need them to burn calorie and make them tired out. That's the perfect place, as long as you have a child's leash.
That's why we go burn some calories.
As long as you have a child leash for all the kids you got, because we needed one for her. If you got one of those, honey, you're good to go. Right?
My 2 senses. It's a recommend for me. When it comes down to going there, it's a recommend for me. But the truth is, yes, it's not for the faint of heart. You need to be a bit fitter to go there. But
that's what we were.
Yeah. So it's a recommendation, definitely. It's like me climbing some mountains, but this is what it is.
I actually have family members that said they're not going back to Dunn's River until them develop a proper way to go down there. And I'm not talking about people who are older, or they're young, they're fit as a fiddle. It's just that they can't see the hustle. They don't want to do the hustle. And young people nowadays don't like hard work. So, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, but damn, the stairs were killing us. And it wasn't a bad thing going down. It just the coming up was awful. I was keep saying in my head, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Couldn't. But guys, we are gonna be showing you what we're gonna be showing you
Should feel the truck.
we're gonna be showing you what our adventure, my adventure was, because majority of it had to be with me and my friends that I went with, because as I said, my co-host was in and out of the park, and it practically took him 1 hour, 1 hour or hour and a half. Another say again, sir. Alright guys, bye. Mwah.